If granular pesticide concentrate is received with Pesti, follow a clear step-by-step mixing and application routine to avoid waste and ensure safety. Start by confirming the product label for compatibility with dilution and water volume. Prepare the work area by wearing chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection and work upwind to avoid exposure. Pour the granules into the supplied application bag over a clean funnel or scoop to prevent spills and avoid creating dust. Add water slowly up to the indicated fill line on the bag and seal the closure tightly, then invert and shake the bag until the granules are fully suspended and appear uniform. Some concentrates require a minute or two of agitation. Visually inspect the mixture for undissolved clumps and if present, add a small additional amount of water and continue shaking until the suspension is even. Do not add surfactants or other additives unless the label allows them. Transfer the mixed material to the application hopper or spreader using a funnel and rinse the bag twice with small volumes of water, adding the rinsate to the hopper to minimize waste and ensure accurate application rates. Common mistakes include adding the granules directly into the equipment hopper, which can cause clumping and uneven distribution, so always pre-mix in the application bag first and confirm uniform consistency before loading. Another frequent issue is underestimating the need for protective gear and working in a confined space, which increases exposure, so pause and don proper gloves and eye protection and maintain good ventilation before mixing. A third concern is failing to follow label dilution instructions or using water that is excessively hard, which can affect suspension and efficacy, so measure water precisely, use potable water when possible, and inspect the suspension carefully before applying. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who can assist with pest control mixing and application and supports contractors looking for new jobs in their service area. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange practical tips, troubleshooting advice, and real-world experiences about products and mixing techniques.